It's Sunday morning and it's raining, guys. Lots and lots and lots of rain. The kids are indoor having fun. When we see, we can sit down and watch them. We can sit down and watch them whole day. Watch. Blanket and pillow the outside. I'm watch cartoon. They're watching cartoon on. Well, they brought the TV, so we got watch cartoon on the laptop. Oh, they're having fun.
Mommy got buy TV.
We gotta buy TV?
Yeah.
Oh my, where we get the money from? Hmm?
Mama, we got 10 money.
We got 10 money? Come from 1 to 10 for me, come.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And what else? Continue.
6.
After 10 is?
7.
After 10 is?
10.
11.
2.
And then?
4.
Come here. Come on.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Uh-huh. Continue. No. 11, 12.
13, 14,
15,
15,
16. I was about 15. 16, 17. Come naman. Continue. Siya go till 30. Come naman. Oh, God. Jangan.